Get ready for pure satisfaction. We're diving into the world of the most mind-blowing and satisfying machines that turn everyday tasks into mechanical magic. This machine punches out perfectly shaped shovel outlines with precision. Now, who would have thought these thin metal sheets would turn into tools strong enough to break through concrete? Now for the fun part. Let's get to the forming process, where the shovel head is pressed into that classic shape we all know and love. Satisfying, right? But it's not just about looks. This process also adds serious strength. And finally, the moment of truth. The shovel meets its trusty sidekick, the handle, which is riveted perfectly into place, built to last through anything. But let's be real, I usually end up driving a nail or screw through it myself eventually. All right, next up, we're moving into the world of precision with Wüsthof, the masters of knife making. It all starts with the knife shape getting stamped out in one swift motion. But the real magic happens when it's tossed into a blazing forge, reaching temperatures of around 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that's done, it's time for the knife to get its sharp personality. A perfectly serrated edge that can cut through anything from bread to bone with ease. The handle is carefully riveted on for a rock-solid fit. No wobbles here. Fun fact, Wüsthof uses triple rivets in their handles, a technique that dates back over a century for maximum durability. Once attached, the handle goes through a rigorous process of sanding and polishing to give it that smooth, ergonomic finish. Let's dive into some serious mechanical satisfaction with the Goudsmit Magnet's nail aligner. Watch as thousands of nails glide down the conveyor belt. It's like watching a well-rehearsed dance of metal, where every nail falls in line with absolute precision. These magnets don't just keep things tidy, they're strong enough to handle hundreds of nails per minute without missing a beat. But the real show starts at the end, where the nails drop into the sorting box. As they reach the final stretch, the nails are guided into place with effortless precision, cascading neatly into the box below. Ever wondered how those timeless vinyl records are made? At the Pallets Group vinyl processing plant, the journey starts with raw polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, which is heated, mixed with color pigments, usually black for added strength, and then cooled into tiny pellets. These pellets are melted down again and formed into round, flat biscuits. Here's where the magic happens. Those biscuits are pressed under 100 tons of pressure between two plates that hold the master disc as grooves. This process imprints the grooves that will eventually play your favorite tunes. The vinyl is then quickly cooled and trimmed to perfection, ensuring the edges are smooth and round. Quality control is meticulous, with every record visually and sonically checked to meet Pallets' high standards. Finally, the freshly pressed vinyls are packaged in their iconic sleeves and sent off to music lovers everywhere. Now, if you thought the last one was satisfying, just wait until you see the MBK cage welding machine in action. Watch the sparks fly. This machine takes steel rods and weaves them together with absolute precision, forming reinforced cages used in concrete construction. These steel cages are the backbone of everything from bridges to skyscrapers, and they need to be rock solid. The machine does the job flawlessly, welding each joint with sparks flying, all while rotating the structure in perfect alignment. Fun fact, this machine can handle up to 57mm diameter rods, ensuring durability for even the toughest projects. Talk about mesmerizing. Ever dream of making your own lumber right in your backyard? Well, with the Wood Miser, that's totally possible. This portable sawmill is like having your very own lumber factory at home. It takes rough logs and slices them down with precision, creating beautiful, custom planks ready for any woodworking project. The best part? You can adjust it to your exact measurements. giving you total control over the size and thickness of your cuts. Some models can cut logs as large as 36 inches in diameter. That's a full tree trunk, if you've got a love for DIY and woodworking. Now this one is seriously hot. Watch as Iconoclast Constructs shows off the ancient art of hot riveting a double shear connection. The process starts by heating the rivets to a glowing red-hot 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's that intense. Once they're sizzling, they're driven into place using powerful pneumatic hammers. This one might not be as flashy, but stick with me. It's all about precision. The Wafios MB90 coiling and bending machine is like a master craftsman of wires. It takes long, straight wires and bends them into complex shapes with perfect accuracy. The Wafios MB90 can coil wire at up to 90 meters per minute. That's nearly the length of a football field in just 60 seconds. Let's dive into the fascinating world of container making with the Parker blow molding machine. It all starts when a tube of hot plastic, called a parison, is placed inside a mold. Then high-pressure air is blown into the parison, expanding it to fill the mold's shape, just like blowing up a balloon. In a matter of seconds, the plastic cools and hardens, creating everything from water bottles to large industrial containers. The Parker blow molding machine can produce up to 3,000 containers per hour. Let's see how a polymer wheel is made. It's a super satisfying process that's both precise and hands-on. It starts with mixing up raw polymer materials, which are then melted down into a smooth, dough-like consistency. This molten polymer is poured into a mold, and here's where the magic happens. High heat and pressure shape the polymer into a perfect wheel form. Once it cools, the wheel is removed from the mold, but it's not ready just yet. The wheel is then trimmed and polished to get that perfect round edge we all need for a smooth ride. All right, let's clean up, literally. With Aola Boucherie NV automation, making sweeping brushes is anything but boring. It starts with bundles of bristles being fed into the machine with precision that's almost hypnotic. These bristles are cut, organized, and then automatically inserted into the brush head at lightning speed. This machine can handle up to 1,200 tufts per minute, meaning it can make dozens of high-quality brooms in just 1 hour. All right, kids, ever wondered where those squishy playground mats you love come from? Let's take a look with Alfasp. First, the magic starts with tiny rubber granules, often made from recycled tires. How cool is that? As the tires are broken down, everything that's not rubber, such as metal wires and fibers, is carefully sifted out and removed. What's left is pure rubber, ready for the next step. Once separated, the rubber is further processed and refined, ultimately being transformed into small rubber pellets. These pellets can then be used for various applications, from playground surfaces to rubberized asphalt, giving new life to what would have been waste. These granules are mixed together with a special glue and then poured into molds to create the perfect shape. But that's not all. The mixture is pressed down and heated to make sure the mats are strong and flexible, so you can jump, run, and fall without getting hurt. After they cool off, the mats are popped out of the mold and given their bright, fun colors. We've all seen them, and some of us have even tried to take them apart, wooden pallets. But have you ever wondered how these sturdy structures are made? Let's check it out with the Makina pallet double nailing line. It all starts with wooden planks being lined up perfectly by the machine, and then the real action begins. Using high-powered nail guns, the machine drives hundreds of nails into the wood with precision, no hammering required. This machine can nail up to 1,500 nails per pallet in just a couple of minutes, making it a pallet-making powerhouse. We have SUM Springworks, a renowned expert in crafting custom hot and cold wound mechanical springs, stampings, wire forms, machining, metal spinning, and water jet cutting. Their capabilities extend to coiling up to a 36-inch outside coil diameter and an impressive 70-inch overall free length. SUM's proficiency in hot winding is unmatched, offering exceptional flexibility and top-notch quality for springs of any size you may need. They prioritize efficiency, offering expedited turnaround services for urgent orders and accommodating flexible quantity, ordering tailored to your precise demands. Next is China RCM, a distinguished manufacturer specializing in producing small and medium concentrated grout shield machines, as well as friction stir welding equipment, and providing specialized CNC machining design, manufacturing, and sales services. Their products find wide-ranging applications in city pipeline network construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and various other industries. Rotary friction welding in China RCM entails spinning up two metal parts and driving them into contact in order to solder two axles onto a single component. Next up is Aliplast GmbH, a distinguished German company, a leading specialist in crafting top-quality plastic windows and doors. Renowned for their innovative technologies, they excel in achieving exceptional levels of thermal insulation, safety features, and cutting-edge design. Aliplast's products are meticulously designed to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency within homes. With a strong global presence, the company stands as one of the foremost providers of plastic profile systems in the industry. Their commitment to excellence sets them apart in the field of window and door solutions. The Aliplast GmbH process involves heating a plastic pellet to a malleable state, then extruding it through a die to form a continuous tube or profile. The SMS Group is a global engineering company that specializes in plant and machinery construction for various industries. They provide an extensive array of facilities for manufacturing, casting, rolling, processing, forging, and extrusion of steel, aluminum, and copper. Additionally, SMS Group offers plant technology for producing premium metal powders used in additive manufacturing, along with other technologies associated with powder metallurgy. One of the key strengths of SMS Group is its ability to handle extremely precise tolerances. The company's state-of-the-art equipment and expert team enable it to produce parts with incredible accuracy, making it an ideal partner for clients in the automotive, aerospace, and other high-precision industries. Another area where SMS Group excels is in its capacity to handle hellish heats. The company's furnaces and heat treatment systems are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, allowing it to process even the most challenging materials with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for clients requiring high-temperature processing, such as those in the aerospace and power generation sectors. In addition to these specialized capabilities, SMS Group also offers a wide range of forming processes, from forging to drawing and beyond. This comprehensive approach enables the company to provide complete solutions for its clients, from initial material selection to final product assembly. MTI, or Manufacturing Technology Inc., stands at the forefront of the global industry in providing cutting-edge solutions for joining and friction welding. Their expertise lies in the creation of state-of-the-art friction welders, ensuring the production of consistently high-quality welds, whether for components on Earth or in the vast expanse of outer space. MTI offers a diverse range of friction welding technologies, encompassing rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. MTI has an impressive track record, having contributed to significant projects like welding the fuel tanks for both the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their expertise has been instrumental in advancing space exploration. Texenter, a company that produces braiding machines and related software in Russia. They specialize in manufacturing braiding machines designed for a wide range of applications, including cord, tape, tube, wire, as well as braiding with precious metals and composite materials. Their machines are tailored to accommodate various braiding needs with precision and efficiency. One of their standout software offerings is TexMind Braider Multifilament. This powerful tool generates a 3D representation of the braided structure and computes its properties. TexMind Braider Multifilament is adept at working with tubular braids, enabling it to simulate the braiding process, optimize machine settings, and even arrange colors. Next is Bailey Industrial, a globally recognized provider of high-quality metal machinery. A hydraulic tube bender can be used to create handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more, according to Bailey Industrial Ltd. This device reduces physical effort and is quicker and more accurate. It is less expensive than programmed tubes and doesn't require human force. The procedure involves correctly positioning the steel tube and waiting for the bending to happen. Last but not the least is Formech, headquartered in the UK, specializes in the design and production of vacuum forming machines tailored for diverse applications. Their extensive lineup encompasses compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large format models equipped with semi-automatic operation features. These machines find utility across a spectrum of industries including R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film and theater, among others. Formech stands out for providing budget-friendly and adaptable vacuum forming solutions, ensuring suitability for a wide range of projects and unique requirements. And there you have it, folks. We've just showcased some of the renowned production lines in today's world. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of construction machinery.